Yo fam, it's my third day in Tokyo and I'm here in Ginza Street. And I want to take you around and show you some of the most premium and luxury stores out here. For my outfit, because the weather is really good out here, I am wearing a relaxed jacket by Underrated Club. It's an Indian streetwear brand, along with a white t-shirt, again by Underrated Club. And I paired it up with a nice baggy black trouser with my chunky Air Jordan 4 oxidized greens. And on my wrist is the Casio Tiffany dial, which looks pretty clean on this outfit. अब हम जा रहे हैं सेको के स्टोर. Seiko is really huge in Japan, founded by Kintaro Hattori right here in Ginza back in 1881. We are going to this Seiko Dream Square. So on the ground floor, you'll find the regular watches priced from 20,000 to 30 or 40,000 Indian rupees. Honestly, I found these to be okayish. So we're going on the fourth floor. It's got some limited edition Seiko watches. Now here is the real magic. I loved most of the watches here. Even tried a few. Every watch has a story to tell and a real appealing look. After searching for a while, finally I came across this masterpiece.
Let me try this one. I'm going to try this one. Let's go.
It's the Seiko Prospex Panda 39mm dial. Sits perfectly on my wrist. And this Panda colorway looks very premium. Now the same watch in India is for 65,000 or maybe best price 62,000. But here I got it for 54,000 after showing my passport for tax set off. So Japan में ऐसा system है कि अगर आप अपना passport दिखाते हो तो at a few registered businesses you get a 10% off because you are a tourist. So I will recommend you guys to ask for this wherever you go. Just a quick add-on, the passport discount is only valid on shopping of more than 5,000 yen in single transaction.
We aren't done yet.
Next, I had to pick a watch for my bestie, so I recommended him this one. It's the limited edition Seiko collab with Datsun in the stunning red dial that is Japan exclusive. And because he wanted a unique numbered watch, we picked the 99 numbered watch for him, priced at 1,30,000 yen, that is 75 to 76,000 Indian rupees. You just can't get a better deal than this one. Also, you know what's the best part about Seiko watches?
International guarantee.
Okay.
It will expire 3 years from today.
Oh, perfect. It's perfect.
I'm so happy.
Thank you so much. The overall experience while shopping for Seiko was 10 on 10. I highly recommend that if you're planning Japan, keep aside a good budget for a unique, good-looking Seiko watch. And if you grab some Japan exclusive timepiece, nothing like it. Heavy day today. What are we buying next? I just saw an Onitsuka Tiger store. वैसे भी एक sneaker उठाना ही था. Let's go and check this out. Okay, so I just realized that ये yellow Onitsuka Tiger is a dedicated store for collab sneakers. You won't get Mexico 66 here, but look at the unique designs out here. Quite appealing, I would say. I like this one particularly. A full fur finish on the top, perfect for a red carpet kind of a setup.
This store is concept store, so we only have a designer limited edition. So if you want to find that shoes, you need to go different store. We have 2 more store in Ginza.
So now we're going to head to another Onitsuka Tiger store. It's just a couple of 100 meters away from here. I'm truly enjoying this because there probably I'll get the shoe that I'm looking for. Look at the vibe here, by the way. मैं यहाँ पर एक गिंजा के स्क्वायर पे खड़ा हूँ, where it's all a walking street. You won't see any vehicles here. It's open for pedestrians and there's no vehicle going to be. It's only on the weekends. And you see everyone is walking on the street. So amazing to see, yeah. This is so much fun. भाई यहाँ से ही लाइन दिख रही है. Oh my God, वेटिंग लाइन तो होने वाला है. But then we are excited. Let's explore this. First thing first, get prepared to find a queue at any Onitsuka Tiger store across Japan. You have to go through this. Weekends आपको ज़्यादा rush मिलेगा obviously, but weekdays भी rush रहता है. And that's why you'll have a queue system at each Onitsuka Tiger store. Store timings are 11 AM to 8 PM. अब यहाँ 2 situations है. अगर आपको same day customization कराना है, तो you must reach the store at 8 or 9 AM so that your waiting time is less. Because customization is only done till 2 PM and only at this red concept store in Ginza. So you got to buy the sneakers and submit for customizations all within 2 PM. और अगर आपको customization नहीं कराना तो आप आराम से 11-12 बजे आ सकते हो and then you'll get this slip with waiting number. 30 more minutes. You can also track your number using a QR scanner and meanwhile आप बाकी की shopping कर सकते हो and come back when you are about to be called in. It's been a long wait but we're just going to get in And now let's talk about Onitsuka Tiger shopping और हमारा कैसा experience रहा. You'll surely find some unique designs with superb build quality in Mexico 66, but I would recommend you all to go for Mexico 66 SD instead of regular ones. It's an upgraded version of the classic Mexico 66. The laces are premium along with slimmer silhouette, more on cushioning and ortholite insoles. Prices start from 8,200 Indian rupees for classic Mexico 66 and around 12,000 onwards for Mexico 66 SD. Customization is free, available only for Mexico 66 silhouette, and you can choose 4 alphabets to put it on only one side of the sneaker. Also, a quick hack, the Onitsuka Tiger store at Omote Sando. In my experience, this store, there was no queue when I went there, even though it was a Sunday, and you can simply walk in and pick what you need. But no customization available here. Also, the Nippon made Onitsuka Tiger store is right across the street, so you get to experience both of these. The Nippon made Onitsuka Tiger sneakers obviously are expensive than the other Onitsuka Tiger sneakers, but trust me, it's worth the investment. You'll surely pick a masterpiece here.
गाइस मैं सच बताऊं तो अभी मैं ऑनेस्टली ब्लॉक हो गया हूँ बिकॉज ये एक स्ट्रीट पर ना वर्ल्ड के सबसे बेस्ट टाइम पीसेस, सबसे बेस्ट लग्जरी ब्रांड्स यहाँ पर सब एक एक करके हैं यार. और मुझे समझ नहीं, मतलब मैं शायद 10 दिन भी ब्लॉग करूंगा ना तो भी ये पूरा कवर नहीं हो पाएगा. इट्स दैट ह्यूज. वी फील अ बिट हंग्री. लेट्स गो एंड ग्रैब सम फूड. देयर इज सम ओल्ड दिल्ली रेस्टोरेंट हियर. आई डोंट नो हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू बी लाइक, बट लेट्स गिव इट अ शॉट. This is not for me. I was not so hungry, so someone else. This is for me. My cold lassi.
Now I have heard about this store a lot, Watch Nyan. It's a chain of stores across Japan specializing in the sale and purchase of pre-owned luxury goods, particularly high-end watches. I didn't buy anything here, but you guys might check this out if you want to pick a Rolex. It comes with legit documentation and you might score a crazy deal on some pre-owned watches.
Guys, this particular place, यहाँ पर एक चीज अच्छी है कि वो जो पासपोर्ट दिखा के टैक्स फ्री हो जाता है उसमें काफी अमाउंट सेव हो जाता है. The watches are around 3 lakh to 5 lakh to 10 lakh 15 lakh. अब अगर 10 लाख की वॉच है तो उस पर 10% ऑफ भी अगर आप पकड़ोगे by showing your passport, it is straight up 1 lakh rupees you save. That tax if you save is going to make a huge difference if you compare the prices to the Indian market for watches. Still exploring, pretty excited. मतलब अभी शाम के 5 बज चुके हैं, but अभी भी मेरा एक्साइटमेंट कम नहीं हो रहा है.
Next up is Dover Street Market. Don't miss this one if you're coming to Ginza. It's a multi-level mall where you'll find some of the best streetwear brands. I came across a Bape pop-up here and tried this puffer jacket. I really loved it, but I don't know why I just didn't pick this up. I am honestly regretting this now. Next up is Balenciaga store. If you have been following me, you would know it's one of my aspirational brands and I absolutely love their designs. The patterns, prints, sneakers, cutouts, everything is very unique. In fact, I tried this oversized denim jacket with a hoodie and it looked very premium and stylish.
You guys like it? Guys, I was just roaming around Ginza street and I came across this brand, Desi Guel. And they got on the second floor, they got something for men's collection. Oh man, look at this. This is so cool. I love this jacket. Okay, let me quickly try this. How do you call the name of the brand? Desi Guel? Desi Guel. Desi Guel. Desi Guel. Oh, that's good. Cheers. Let me try this. I want to try this. What's the price for this one? 39,900. So this is tax free? Tax free. So अपनी currency में होगा कुछ 22,000 rupees. But I'm going to try that one. Guys, check this out what I just saw. This is insane.
Nissan Crossing. I'm so excited for this one. Whoa, check this out. This red beast Formula E racing car on display right here. It's fire. And then see this one. It seems a concept car.
Whoa. Thank you so much for doing that. Thank you.
It's good.
Yeah, it's too good. So this is a real one or it's like a
No,
prototype?
Just a concept car. Yeah.
And what's the price of this?
20 million yen, 140,000 US dollar.
Oh, that's insane. Have you driven it anytime? Like,
No, nobody. Just the only one in the world.
superb, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Cheers. Thank you. That's the end of the day, guys. काफी घूमे, but you guys stay tuned because अभी भी बहुत सारे stores, बहुत सारे sneakers, बहुत सारा fashion cover करना बाकी है in Ginza. So I'll have to come back again. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog, and if yes, then do comment below and let me know what you all expect in Japan more, so I can bring it more for you. Till my next video, as I always say, stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks.